Today I am going to do a math activity with you that involves counting and writing your numbers. So I am actually going to show you a couple different ways to do this. The first way is by using the worksheet that I provided you guys with today. So this says I can draw the crayons in each box, and for each box you'll see that there is a number. So the first thing you would do, I'm just going to use a crayon, is ask your child to identify the number. So you could say, what number is this? If you think they know the answer, give them time to respond. Or if they don't, you can prompt them to the correct answer. So you could say, what number is this? 1. And then they would hopefully repeat 1. Or maybe you could have them show you one finger. So this is the number 1, which means this box needs one crayon. So for a crayon, I'm just going to use a line. That's the simplest way to do it. So, 1 crayon in that first box. And now, I'll have them trace the number 1. So go straight down and then you're done. That's the way to make a 1. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you another way if your child needs a little bit more prompting. This is what I always do with tracing when, they can't write things on their own and they need that extra prompt. So I like to use a highlighter because they can see it, but it kind of fades away in the background so it doesn't overpower what they're doing. So I would say, what number is this? 2. This is the number 2. Maybe you want to have them trace it first, and that would be fine. Make a candy cane and then a shoe. That's the way to make a 2. And you can say, show me 2 fingers. And then we want to have them draw their crayons. So this is where our highlighter comes in handy. If they need help, you could draw 1, 2 for them, and then allow them to trace over it. There's 1, and there's 2. All right, let's go to the next one. What number is this? That's the number 3. Can you show me 3 fingers? Awesome. So now we're going to trace our 3. I think I'm going to switch colors this time. Ooh, I have a sparkly purple. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. So same thing, you can either use your highlighter to prompt your child, 1, 2, 3, or just allow them to do that on their own if they can do it. 1, 2, 3. 3 crayons in that box. The next one, I'm going to switch colors again. This time I'll do green. What number is this? 4. This is the number 4. Down, across, and down some more. That's the way we make a 4. Can you show me 4 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's make our 4 crayons in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4. That box has 4 crayons. Switch colors again. Next one. What number is this? That is the number 5. You have 5 fingers on your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take a dive and swim around. To make a 5, come back to ground. There we go, the number 5. Now we need 5 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. That box now has 5 crayons. We have one more box to do. What number is this? 6. Let's trace our 6. Slide down and around to pick up sticks. That's the way we make a 6. Now we need our 6 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crayons in that box. Awesome job with your crayon boxes. And make sure you write your name on the top. You can either write it independently or, like I said, with your highlighter. I'm going to write my name first. So that way, it's easier for your child to then trace it. There we go. Another way you could do this activity is actually without using the worksheet. So if you prefer a more hands-on activity, what you can do is make number flashcards, show it to your child, and actually have them give you that number of crayons. So I would show them this. What number? 9. This is the number 9. Can you give me 9 crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. I have 9 crayons, and then maybe I would want to practice tracing the number 9 with my finger. Put those back in my box and try the next number. What number is this? That's the number 2. So can you give me 2 crayons? 1, 2. I have 2 crayons. And then once again, we can trace the number 2 with our finger. 2. So that's another way you can practice counting. Like I said, you can either use the worksheet or make up flashcards and use the crayons to count with, whichever way your child prefers. Have fun counting, guys. See ya. Enjoy the rest of your week.